Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Quick Teams tip for you today. Before you head into that Teams meeting, make sure your audio device is working properly. Easy to do in Teams. Up in the top right, we have settings and more. The three dots, you click it once. You click on settings. You should see devices. Click on devices. Let's assume that this is the headset I'm going to wear into my meeting. And by the way, I encourage you to always wear a headset in a video conference meeting. If this is not the correct one, you come in here and you come and swap it if you have multiple devices. In case you're wondering why would you want to do this, I actually usually do have multiple audio devices, multiple speakers, multiple mics running right here. Also, really important, go ahead and make that test call. This is really fast and really easy. Click it once.
To test your call quality, record a short message after the beep. Then your message will be played back to you.
Hey, this is Chris Menard, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, this is Chris Menard, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
If you're happy with the quality of your message, then you've configured Teams correctly. If not, check your device settings and try again.
So all good on my device. I pop into my meeting. I know I'm good to go. If by chance you've swapped your device, you make the test call and the test call doesn't work, I would restart my computer. It would be the easy solution and see if that fixes it. I appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.